Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Modic tokens from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin for trading or storage. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always double-check everything to stay safe in the ever-evolving crypto world. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's connected to your crypto account. You'll also need some Modic tokens in your wallet and a KuCoin account set up. If you don't have these, pause here and get them ready, it's that important. Let's jump in. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Find your Modic tokens. Easy, right? Once you've selected them, hit the Send button. Now, head over to KuCoin. Log in, go to the Assets tab, and select Deposit. Choose Modic from the list, and make sure it's set to the Polygon network. That's crucial to avoid any issues. Copy the deposit address provided by KuCoin. It's a long string of characters, so be careful not to make any typos. Paste this address into the To field in your Phantom wallet. Next, enter the amount of Modic you want to send. Remember, crypto transactions aren't free. Factor in those gas fees, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025. Before you hit send, double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it with your wallet. Go ahead and do that. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It usually takes a few minutes, but times can change with updates. Once it's done, hop back to KuCoin and refresh your assets page. Your Modic should show up. If it doesn't, give it a little more time or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. And there you have it. That's how you send Modic from Phantom to KuCoin in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.